One of my favorite things about living in Iran is finding little places where art becomes part of everyday life. This is one of my favorite creative spots in town. Every corner has something different to discover. And somehow the whole place makes you want to slow down and look a little closer. One of the things I love about this place is that art isn't only here to be admired. People actually come together to make it. There are pottery, fabric printing, and handmade craft workshops where people can simply sit down and create. And then I found this beautiful little bookstore tucked inside a space inspired by traditional Persian architecture. There are books on art, architecture, artists, and Persian carpets. And then come the Persian carpets. When you see them up close, you really start to appreciate how much patience and craftsmanship goes into each one. Then there is this beautiful covered courtyard. The ceiling is painted with the shapes of trees, so walking underneath it almost feels like being beneath a forest canopy. It's such a peaceful little escape in the middle of the city. And then we move into the interior design and furniture gallery. I love the way contemporary pieces sit alongside Persian carpets, artwork, and little antique details. But one detail really caught my attention. This wall that tells the story of how the place itself was created. Let's take a little break at the cafe. There is this beautiful wooden table with a small stream running right through the middle. There are tiny fish swimming through the water while you sit and enjoy your drink. By now it's getting dark, so we leave this place and take a quiet evening walk through Mehrshahr. The trees, the lights, and the cool night air make everything feel a little slower. And we end the evening at a popular cafe with a cold mango chillo, exactly what I needed on a warm summer night.